Before starting any drawing, the first step is to select a plane. Just select plane from here, press right click and select plane. So our plane is selected, and now we will draw a rectangle. Rectangle is drawn, and the second step is to give dimensions to this rectangle. So go to the smart dimensions and give dimensions 80, and this dimension we have 105. So now we will extrude this box and go to the features, and before using extrude box command, make sure your sketch is fully defined. So you can see our sketch is fully defined. Now we can use extrude box. Just select command and give dimension command here, and we need 12 mm. So now we will draw this geometry, you can see. And so for that, first we draw these lines, and select plane. We need this plane, just select here and press normal. So we can work on that plane. Go to the sketch bar and just select line command and draw a simple geometry which is looking like that. Then we will give dimensions. So okay. So now we'll give dimension to these parts. Dimension from distance from here to here is 45 mm. Go to smart dimensions and select this point and this point, and distance is 45. And now see, this distance from here to here is 15. Now give this distance from here to here, which is 15. Okay, now that this distance is remaining, and as we know this distance from here to here, the total distance is 105. This is 45 and this is 15. We subtract these two from 105, and now you get 55. Sorry, 45. Now draw a distance 45. Select this point and this point, so which is driven. So this distance we have 15 mm, and this distance is also 15 mm, and distance from here to here is 45, just given this distance which is 45, sorry, 42, and distance from here to here is 18. Just give 18 mm. Now give this dimension, which we have 75. You can see from here to here dimension is, we can edit this dimension which is 75, and dimension of this point and this point from here is, sorry, dimension from here to here is 17, and same for that, from here to here is 17. Now our sketch is ready for extrude. You can see this is fully defined. Now go to the feature and select extrude box, and sorry, reverse the direction and see how much extrude we need. Extrude should be 80 mm. You can see, and type here 80 mm. 80, 80, and again go to extrude box, select this, and this, and press OK. Oh, sorry. Feature, extrude box, select this, and reverse the direction. So our extrude has been done. Now select this plane and go to normal, and we have to give this distance which is 10 mm. So draw a line of 10 mm. So draw a line which is coincide this point, and now give dimensions, smart dimension, and from here to here. From this point to this point is, this distance is 10 mm. Okay. extrude this part, but the thing which you need to understand, for extrude box your geometry should be closed, and so for closing this geometry we will draw lines to close this. Now you can see our geometry is closed. Now we can extrude this. Extrude box and reverse direction and give here 90 and okay. And now for making this edge whose distance is 10 mm from here and here, both are edges. We selected this plane and normal to it, and now we draw a line. Line is selected, this, and just close this. And same here. Select line, select this, and this. Now give dimension to them. What is dimension? You can see this is 10 mm. Now give 10 mm dimension at both sides. 10 mm and 10 mm. Now we will use extrude box command for removing this surface, and you can see our object is fully defined. Go to feature command and use this command extrude box and reverse its direction and click enter. Our dimension was already given. Now you can see this, our model is almost done. Now we just need to draw this, and now for drawing this part, hollow part, select this plane and normal to it, and just draw a line, center line. Draw the center line and draw this, and now give dimensions. You can see this distance is 15, and if we draw a midline, so 15 will be at left and 15 will be at right. Now this distance is 15, and This is also 15. Okay, and its height is, which is given, which is 30. Sorry, the height is 30. And now use extrude cut to cut this. Extrude cut and give dimension here. You can select dimension is its dimension is 45. You can give 45 and okay. Sorry, our sketch was not closed. First we will make this close. Go to normal and close this. Select line and close this. Now we, the part we are going to extrude cut is closed. Again go to the feature command and do extrude box. And now you can extrude easily up to surface and select surface and press OK. Now our model is ready. So this is our required model.